Isang story ang ibinahagi ng isang 18 or isang fan ng SB19 kung saan present siya sa live performance ng SB19 sa Lollapalooza. Mula sa kanyang story time, sinabi niya ang, "There are 4 teenage Americans in front of me waiting for the artist after SB19. They said they'll switch places with us during SB19 set because they don't know them anyway. Also, the teenage boy wearing the orange shirt kept tagging them as K-pop. An 18 beside me calmly explained that they're not K-pop, they are P-pop, Philippine pop, Pinoy pop. He understood and said, 'Oh, thank you, please educate me.' They ended up staying in the barricade for the first song. Then we're supposed to switch. Little did I know, they ended up staying the whole set and look at them enjoying SB19 songs. I don't mind not be proud fan because these 4 teenagers were hype up, dancing around, and even screaming at the end of their set, the orange shirt." Anyway, alam na po natin yan nang humarap ang SB19 sa entablado ng Lollapalooza na hindi po talaga lahat ay kilala sila. Tanging ang mga fans na bumili ng tiket ang kilala ang SB19 at nandun para sumuporta. Kaya yung mga taong nandyan ay mga ibang lahi na at may mga half Pinoy pa nga po dyan na hindi talaga kilala ang SB19. Kaya naman laking pasalamat ng SB19 dahil sa kabila nang sila ay walang kasamang mga international artists at sila lang po talaga ang nag-perform doon, makikita po na napakarami pong casuals ang nag-stay doon. Masasabi niyo po bang ang lahat ng iyon ay fan ng SB19? No. Pero, naging fan na po sila after the show. Well, marami pa pong kwento kaya naman tumutok lang pero random updates lang. Nakakatuwa nga ang naging reply ng SB19 sa tanong na sila ba yung SB19. Sinagot ito ng yes, they are a 5-member P-pop boy group from the Philippines consisting of Pablo, Josh, Stel, Ken, and Justin. They made history as the first Filipino act to perform at the Lollapalooza. Anyway, napakarami pa pong kwento ang hindi pa lumalabas pero sa mga nakasaksi ng mismong live performance ng SB19 sa Lollapalooza, sila mismo ang nakakita kung paanong ang mga casuals ay nag-enjoy sa performance nila. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe and thank you for watching.